we need to talk about vacuuming. Look at the way that's spelled. Really weird. There is a double U in vacuuming. And vacuuming can be a verb, can be something you do, or it can be a noun. You can have a vacuum in your hand, and in that picture, there is a vacuum. Sorry, podcast listeners, but here's the definition. Vacuuming, cleaning floors or carpets using a machine that sucks up dirt and dust. It's called a vacuum. That's what you do. When you vacuum, you use a vacuum to suck up dust and dirt. We will talk about dust in a minute. I don't know. That was a tough term for me to describe, but hopefully everyone has seen dust, so it will make it easier. But I think it's little pieces of human skin and dirt, dust. We'll talk about dust soon. But one term I thought might be helpful, especially if you are an intermediate or advanced English learner, would be this thing called a shop vac. I figured most English learners would know the term vacuum. I just wanted to remind you it can be a verb or it can be a noun, but a shop vac. This is used for more heavy duty cleaning. Not your carpets inside, but maybe out in the garage where things get a little dirtier, or maybe for the carpets in your car. Now, where I live, we have winter, and oftentimes dirt or sand will be put down on the roads so they don't get slippery. And then that dirt gets tracked in to your car. Tracked in. That might be a new phrasal verb. But when the dirt goes from your boots to the carpet on your car, or the carpet in your house, or the floors in your house, we call that tracked in. You might track in some dirt. Well, you might need a shop vac. And if you see in the picture, it looks like this man is using a shop vac. It's a little bit stronger than a regular vacuum. And let's take a look at a sentence for you here. A shop vac might be used in the garage for heavier jobs, maybe cleaning the carpet on the floor of your car.